Homographs. Homographs are words that have the same spelling but different meanings. Let's see some examples to understand concept of homographs. Bat. Here, bat is a mammal, and in second example, bat which is used to play a cricket. In this example, the spelling of bat is same in both cases, but they have a different meaning. That is why this is an example of homograph. Ring is an ornament here, and other one is telephone ring. Watch, a wristwatch, and other one as in watching a television. Jam, a traffic jam, and other one which we put on a bread. Glasses, eyeglasses, and glasses used to serve drinks. Trunk, nose of an elephant, and another trunk which is trunk of a tree. Chest, a treasure chest, and another chest is a part of body. Letter, as in letter of the alphabet, and other letter is a piece of writing in an envelope. Nails, fingernails, and another one iron nails. Fall, one of the season, and other fall as in snowfall. Bank, financial bank, and another bank which is side of a river. Fly, as in flying a kite, and other fly is an insect. Right, a direction, and another right meaning is correct. Scale, a skin of fish, and another scale which is weighing scale used to weigh things. Bar, a bar of chocolate, and another bar that is iron bar used to exercise. Light, meaning lightweight like feather, and another light which is used to see something. Wave, as an ocean wave, and another wave which is used to say hi. Note, currency note, and other one sticky note. Bow, as in bow and arrow, and another bow which is decorative bow. Tear, what you see when someone cry, and other one as in tear a piece of paper. Quarter, 1/4 part of anything. Other quarter, $quarter. Can, as in tin can, and other one as in I can do this. Close, as in close to each other, and other one close as in close the door. Capital, as in capital of a nation. Other capital refers to uppercase alphabet. If you know more such words, please let us know in the comment box. For more educational and fun learning videos, please subscribe to our channel and click bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you.